Let us solve question number 6 from problem set 7. The question is, the diameter and thickness of a hollow metal sphere are 12 centimeter and 0.01 meter respectively. The density of the metal is 8.88 gram per centimeter cube. Find the outer surface area and mass of the sphere. Okay, so let us first write down what is given. Diameter of sphere is given. Diameter of sphere is equal to 12 centimeter. Then thickness is given. Thickness is equal to 0.01 meter and density given. Density is equal to 8.88 gram per centimeter cube. Okay. So we have to find out mass of sphere. Mass of sphere and outer surface area. Outer surface area. So this we have to find out. Diameter of sphere is given 12 centimeter. Therefore radius R is equal to 12 upon 2 equal to 6 centimeter. Thickness is given 0.01 meter. Convert it in centimeter. So to convert meter into centimeter, we have to multiply by 100 because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 0.01 multiplied by 100, answer is 1 centimeter. So thickness we have to take 1 centimeter. Okay. The sphere is hollow. Sphere is hollow. That means we have outer sphere and inner sphere, and the metal between these two spheres is the volume of this sphere. So here we have to write outer radius. Consider it as R1, which is 6 centimeter. Inner radius R2 equal to 6 minus thickness is 1. So 6 minus 1, 5 centimeter. Okay. So let us find out the first question. Outer surface area is given in the question. So first find out outer surface area. Outer surface area of sphere. So formula for outer surface area is 4 pi r square equal to 4 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by r square. Now here outer sphere area we have to find out. So radius we have to take r1 and r1 is given 6 centimeter. So 6 square. So 4 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 36 divided by 7. Okay. So if you simplify this, first multiply 22 multiply by 4, 88 multiply by 36 divided by 7. So if you multiply this and divide by 7, you will get answer 452.60 centimeter square. So this is the outer surface area of sphere. Okay. Next we have to find out mass of sphere, and density of sphere is given. That density formula in science you studied. Density is equal to mass upon volume. And if we want to find out mass, first we have to find out volume of sphere. Okay. So therefore, volume of sphere is equal to, as here it is given that it is hollow sphere. So we have outer sphere and inner sphere. So we have to find out the volume of both the spheres and then do subtraction. Volume of outer sphere minus volume of inner sphere. Formula for volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. And here for outer sphere the radius is r1. So pi r1 cube minus 4 upon 3 pi r2 cube. Take 4 upon 3 pi common factor, and in bracket r1 cube minus r2 cube. So substitute values, 4 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into r1 6 and r2 5. So 6 cube minus 5 cube. 4 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 6 cube is 260. 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. 216 minus 5 cube is 125. 216 minus 125. 6 minus 5, 1. 11 minus 2, 9. And 1 minus 1, 0. Now 91 is divisible by 7. 7 ones are 7. And 7 threes are 20. Okay. So here 4 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 30. First multiply this. 22 into 4, 88. Multiply by 13 divided by 3. Okay. So if you multiply this and divide by 3, you will get answer 381.33. First multiply 88 into 13 and then divide by 3. You will get answer 381.33. Here unit for volume is centimeter cube. So this is the volume of sphere. Now use density formula. Density is equal to mass upon volume. And therefore mass is equal to density multiplied by volume. Therefore mass equal to, density is given in the question 8.88 and volume we calculated 381.33. So if you multiply this, you will get answer mass is equal to 3,386.21 and unit for mass is gram. So this is the answer. Then write the answer in statement. The question is, find the outer surface area and mass of the sphere. Therefore, outer surface area of sphere is 452.16 centimeter square and mass of sphere is 3386.21 gram. Followed? Question number 7. A cylindrical bucket of diameter 28 centimeter and height 20 centimeter was full of sand. When the sand in the bucket was poured on the ground, the sand got converted into shape of cone. If the height of the cone was 14 centimeter, what was the base area of the cone? Okay. So here in this question, two shapes were given. One cylindrical bucket and the second one is cone. First, the sand is fully filled in the bucket and the bucket is the sand was poured on the ground and it made the shape of cone. That means the volume of cylindrical bucket is equal to volume of cone. So this concept we have to use to solve the problem. Okay. So let us first write down dimensions. Question number 7. We have two shapes here, cylinder and cone. First write the dimensions for cylinder. Diameter is given. D equal to 28 centimeter. So therefore radius R is equal to 28 divided by 2, 14 centimeter. Then height H is given 20 centimeter. Okay, so these are the dimensions for cylinder. Now next shape is cone. The height of the cone was 14 centimeter. So height of the cone, assume capital H, which is equal to 14 centimeter. We don't know the radius of cone. So radius, assume capital R, that we don't know, and we have to find out base area of cone. So base of cone is having circular shape. So the base area of cone means area of circle, which we have to find out. Pi r square is equal to question mark. Okay. So here volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cone. Volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cone. Volume of cylinder formula pi r square h. Volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, capital R and capital H we assume here. Now both the sides this pi value get cancelled. Substitute values. Radius of cylinder is given 14 centimeter. So 14 into 14. And height is given 20 into 20 equal to 1/3. Radius we don't know and height is given 14. So into 14. Now to find out this radius, this 3 and 14 take on left hand side. So therefore r square is equal to 14 into 14 into 20 upon this 3 gets multiplied here and upon this 14. Okay. Now this 14 get cancelled. Therefore, r square is equal to 14 into 3 into 20. So, 14 2s are 28. Means 280 into 3. So, therefore, r square is equal to, multiply this. 3 zeros are 0. 3 8s are 24. Carry 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Okay. Now we want to find out base area of cone. In that we required r square value. And r square value we got. So instead of calculating its square root, keep r square as it is. And now find out the base area of cone. Therefore, base area of cone is equal to pi r square. Value of pi is 22 upon 7. R square is 840. Now divide it by 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14 and this 0. Now multiply this. First write down this 0. Then multiply by 12. 12 twos are 24. Carry 2. 12 twos are 24. 24 plus 2, 26. 2640 centimeter square. So this is the answer. Next, question number 8 from problem set 7. The radius of a metallic sphere is 9 centimeter. It was melted to make a wire of diameter 4 millimeter. Find the length of the wire. Metallic sphere with radius 9 centimeter is given and it was melted and wire is formed. The wire is the shape of cylinder. Okay, so we have here two shapes. Metallic sphere, its radius r is given 9 centimeter. Next is wire, its diameter is given 4 millimeter. So radius is capital R 2 millimeter. The 4 divided by 2, 2 millimeter. Convert it in centimeter. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So to convert millimeter into centimeter, we have to divide it by 10. So 2 divided by 10, 0.2 centimeter. Okay. And we have to find out length of the wire. Length of the wire is equal to height of the cylinder. So h we have to find out. Metal sphere was melted to form wire. Therefore, volume of sphere equal to volume of wire. Formula for volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. And wire is the shape of cylinder. So its volume is pi r square h. R we consider capital R. Okay. Both the sides this pi gets cancelled. So here 4 upon 3 into r cube. Radius of sphere is 9. So 9 into 9 into 9 equal to radius of wire is 0.2. So 0.2 into 0.2 into h. So here 4 multiply by 3 multiply by 9 multiply by 9 equal to, convert this decimal form into fraction. 2 upon 10 into 2 upon 10 into h. To find out this h, let's take these numbers on left side. So 4 multiply by 3 multiply by 9 multiply by 9 multiply by 10 multiply by 10 divided by 2 into 2 equal to h. Now divide this. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So we have here 3 into 9 into 9 into 10 into 10. So 9 9s are 81. 81 into 3, 243. and these 2 0. 24,300 centimeter. Convert this centimeter into meter. To convert into meter, we have to divide by 100 because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So these 2 0 gets cancelled and we will get the answer 243 meter. Therefore, the length of the wire is 243 meter. Followed?